Jim FM.
Jeg kan lige fortælle.
Enti ano abayiwa na
nsenthroni no
ono na
ya koduru ha nyina
sabia matese maami o ka beti o ha ni kokonte no ya no sade nkate efra
dabi obi maami nti ase enti lady yo da ho yi
yes
ona record proceeding ya proceeding now it was between
one papa no
let's get the facts
right. Mama nka so man
ono lady no akosa club num
swingers club ho
ho no amafo konom ensa ye tum but previously no amafo konom san ho dem to base ye mfa no baako amafo konom san ho
no ma ye bibia
e na omo timi so ene mada
di agro
ho e na okwohwe se after yesan bie ye no amafo se beto asa abrabo no so ana enti in order so odin ho be hyem no as an investigative journalist no yes ono so court say obi betimi abefa no na ada ho
na chese o akire say o say ade no kra ye bie na adwuma no
ekoso e na oye ni na o record enti onipa ko na obese ne pe club no
papa no ne bonko Mr Vasquez
enti Mr Vasquez no ene ne die ono ewura we ne die
oni Mr Vasquez
ko e say na bia ma mo
omo ye you know what ono so dije ono bia na dije ono
okay odi ebobio bo ni bi ma ndi
tata bia nyenye tata bia na ye na
dabi kwa jan komo na o se no tie enti journalist no won su jan komo na o se no hwe journalist na man no ne nada just Louisa. To prove say
Louis Fisher no to prove say ade no ekoso
ene journalist adwuma yi
na
de bi no ye head agro no
mu die shia hade say ya kwache na toto abo papa no
we fana afana ni so
e fana ni
so na da ha no fine lady pa
nice girl so pa o atiefo mo mehwe no ade no so very nice lady pa
very nice lady your friend Louis Fisher
edu baby na ni ref cross adwuma no oye
na odi
mutie voice no
yes ana wo Fisher adwuma no ye
odi man fa ko baby na
adwuma no ye o so do ho hyem from se bi wa ko we base bi na boys na sisi o ma no sa na
odi ha na na chese e bosu omo kika o meye yes
Den er det jo tilbage i en svingerklub.
Det er noget, der har ventet i mange måneder. Han er sagt.
Ej, så du er blandt andet kasser nu.
Hvorfor det?
Det er jo gode venner. Side 6.
Okay, man, collect. Last. Yes. The radio station.
Na radio no mo ntia so no baba
omo botie je bibia
yes na dwuma mpani abona baso
na dwuma mpani se e free say obey journalist wo hu bi da ge na ya dia ma abro so na Fisher tell say since start your adwuma no bi anse ne pe adwuma mu hodo ye adwuma no bi anse ne pe da
except okoye sa ayi
no amanfo perception ne say ye yusu adwuma no mti na ode ko sa no say no obey adwuma no bi anse ne pe ne papa se ne ba no oye adwuma ni yi pa
ne papa so abona
baso na ma me si o we no ma
enti na me ba we de me sre ada una o destroy by na enti o bon ho by there
no asama baba wa no Fisher can say do ade no o enjoy the enso anya no bibia
sa
yes
that is a motive behind no ye adwuma no wo yenti no
na wo hwe de hwe ni picture we ko na fe no
assembly
yes
I find it.
Oh, very such nice a beautiful lady.
26 years. Why you money here?
Adventure.
You see, oko baby a we for wa. Only omona so person who say who video nya no mo.
Say ade we nke bi to Ofie Adom o. Say oko say ko baby a yi for no. E na okoye ayi ana. Say oko no correct price nti.
Ama say
enti na record a no. ti the record that no ya fi okọ ni lady ni kikan kan na fi lady so okay enye we on famra no ya fi
price na famra
afi de udu na jira we
so kwa
so onko fire so onko de yo
anyumra be sese na de mu tibeti no ka bode aba ebo be ya 12 no a
nti wa adwuma we no ho
eye nyinya no de a
nsam twa adwuma na so wo ya do ho hyem se de mpanimfo no kan wo do ho hyem
ehemu we de ano hye
oh ano nya hye adwuma na wo ye no
we chimbone
so nti ababa wa fishe se wo kɔ demaka wa trendia ma
wajini dio
wajidi o baby a 26-year-old lady
okay.
Nice lady radio 4
breaking news as see abanso no enie we efi board of governors of Achimota School
okay
enra na ye wa ha na yenuanom mo ba ebesra after the court ruling say omo ho kwan say Achimota School ebe admit you no more at home addition so no. This is just coming in from the board of governors of Achimota School. Me kind said the tie na actually obi wa haidi
any been free
obi wa haidi na ode akọ ayi mu amaye de mu amaye or say reaction of Achimota School governing board to high court ruling on the admission of Rastafarian students. The governing board of Achimota School was represented in court yesterday, the 31st of May 2021. Adena making free news and Tiamunya wote. This is Mizumi and Makan Masanchima Conchain. Okay, and has led the outcome of the Papa also for your idea. Okay, the outcome of the case brought against the two persons who had earlier applied to be admitted to the school. The court ruled that the religious rights of the two applicants has been violated by the school management as they sought to enforce the time-tested and well-known rules of the school. The court further directed the school to admit the two applicants. The school board disagrees with the ruling of the court. The school board has therefore directed its lawyers to appeal against the ruling. Signed, Chairman of the board, Achimota School.
Enra, atemu free high court to buy no. My guy.
Adeye tare wo fo ye ni mi de jama de so wa na pe fro tare ni mu na.
Rastafarians ya enra omubo me wo court to twe hanki hiu ni wiemu ma wi ase. Aye kama make us kra mo picture bu am be say one be Achimota PTA chairman. Apei. Na atemu aye di be bo hoyi. Ana mpanimfu ada Achimota School na no. Dia tu ya se dia court kan nyina omote. Na sem no ye wi ani enwie ye wosimisi bio court ho.
Yeah.
Ti dia court aka say nkwada na yensa anyo musuku mo mesua de no. Nye se court kan na no ano no. Ti se dom dia simsu bio appeals court. Se court nsi o musu bio. Na de high court kan ye no. Omo nani ani ma won se nkwada no ye de empese. Omo mfa masuku no. Tuwe ye free Achimota empanimfo hwe suku no so. Ena wonom e dia bei. Nti we tiawa. Ti se asem no me enra no ebeto dwana na me kan se nkrofo susu ni ahuruzie no hwe be obse de disi
se enra me ni uze ye kasa wo ha wie no after the ya irrigated wie no uze me musu se me kogunsu ti me na omo wo lobby ho no ti me ye na me meeti omo maame no na me bisa say na I forgot about it to ask on the radio. Say anye biana the demeanor of the lawyers of the school no net saying Osha was it likely say on be for appeal and answer saying and also it didn't look like that say and say ni abepi mu a on be so mu ko appeal
now one me can say dia de na ye no munye din na papa bi nso gira kire toto abo din o
say
opani enje kabonu
say
was say court ama kwa se nkwara no school no kwara no bi wo ha ma soro mo nchempa bo o mu nyina beba
ene na ye be soro
na ku ye musa say obi nchempa bo a kana disunya the most important thing is the book no no say pray ni ma me atremu bi
mo nchempa bo
o so e twi form no mo ko school no
Matias e kwa me nya hwe didi o ba na se ne o ba no o ba fira be ma na sisi form no o ba be ka cho so bo wa no
I don't really care
family dia o kana abo
I don't personally
you care pa
America so form so asomade
America so for
young Francina, Yamia Admochna, young Fadiaka, and trust me,
PTA chairman here, income
research no I couldn't say a woman. Pepe, so can when you can just when you're bar and ask you to be my phone, feel about it. But see the with me, so I am research.
The choir fast will beat me a show.
How to
okay.
Now
we'll try her any baby.
Who's a creative boy? Your man,
Mitchell, I won't try any baby. Which me a show.
Well, Kuna, among for what is a almost only repeat uncle.
Then almost the answer I'm with you. Empty. Obiako and research. Yes, I'm a bon. I did. Monko, a crew, Monko. I was fast that Kesema in boost herbal mixture, aka police near Duno. Papa, a draw, a marginal banana. Immune system no one ding. The Arabian team member bluffy also cry. Debbie. Say one nom in boost about mixture, I say Arabic hinta Unipeduana Quabe Bia. And one court na call Clay Bia. Come on. Now I'm what them up at me about system no emo. Tishan Sama. Therefore, the Chimo Kings walk about Ekus Pharmacy, the Dama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Afe Health Electropole St. John's, and all alternative and dependable about shops across the country. Or call a Little George Health Shop or come to 5 10 months. So Ubenya be the door partner phrase 0243 115 948 and after 0246 208 496. And when you stay you from our Royal Drinks, or see you go like we a quality product if you Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Now you're turn 250 pesos per. Our shops are holding in them. You must sort to Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and then Royal Cocktail. And a nominate perfect flavors now we hear. 80 months and count this is here. Royal Drinks, or see you go like them. Open the door phrase 0262 351 251 and now 0272 133 373. Afe Gold TV. Possible money I saw the Hobejimbi. Then they wait me action who they are calling their bell now. Say Premier League and now Serie A, now say La Liga. Yadina Ebro. So stay connected on your Gold TV. What me I enjoy captivating moments and make sure you stand by your team until the very end. This is football worth watching and you can't afford to miss it. It's connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. We're using my Gold TV app. Now wait me who they are calling their bell. Gold TV. Love it.
Open Gangnam Style.
Yeah, trust wa kwa me fast da ma MTN and they also encourage say e kwan bia so no betimi akasa na wakọ animu a e wa bra on worry about a car bebo. The sentence say MTN free after one digital now so then kasa for as long as you wish and just pay for only the first minute of the call. The rest is absolutely free. You better enjoy 50 MB of data. They are actually free. Just dial star 550 hash to subscribe to MTN free after one now and stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN everywhere you go. And also want to share and no. All right, so yeah, trust wa kwa enu. Mema refi say ene me ba ben ma wa chede o dano adnebeyi sound no ma me na me ma manfo etim kakra na fi yen hwe se de eno so ehun hihye no ebesi akwafa. Wa be bo homoden no na wa bo moden na che se waje wa chede boko na wo de call baby. Oni obi a eni asem. Pretty simple. Nze me mitrimu nya dentia na ma fela ni na bibia timi akoyi e de ama. In the meantime, happy birthday, Nkoma Jerry Kisi Day Yeboa, personal assistant to Honorable Ama Benyua Do, Mrs. Newa Oda. Yamao, happy birthday, Jerry Kisi Day Yeboa. Enjoy your birthday. Now, I feel so, Mrs. Eugenia Na Lamne Chomenya. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Na Lamne. Nyame onsha no yo kese wate kompai bono ade se dia dia to anim nyina on for birthday celebration so now on funny na ma e wo Yesu dim. Amen. And we so say please wish my mother-in-law Josephine Dakwa all the way in Canada, Ontario, a happy birthday for me. With your Ernest Boama and Chain. We also see Jerry and Shashunko and Ko Emma for an Aseka Sepa Emma a Sofo SK APG Mamiwati. Nyame Adoma on the 4th of June. Birthday. Tini drew on moi. I wish to be a kama with your orchard Agnan Kuminche. Yeah, Traso, I call ye Nimono. I'll say happy birthday, though belated, and comma Lizzie, or a nurse, a Tete Kwashi Memorial Hospital, or Mampon Equipim. Happy birthday going out to Mr. Ket Ukreku, GFA president, and so with ye Nana Yirinchi, the first Mampon Equipim Apes Makahine, on a sooner toss and crowry at the bay. We also say good evening, Jerry. Please wish my friend Frida from Kumasi a happy birthday for me. She's in school, but please wish her for me. Bright from Adenta sent in this one. School was a birthday. Abednego Ohene Kwejo, big brother of AC Ohene. Today you are 90 years old. Hooray! Enjoy your 90th anniversary. May you live on to celebrate 106+3. Enjoy this day with the AC Ohene Enche and Odema ne big brother. Just say and they OD now die friend Abednego Ohene Kwejo. Okay, me patrol tie we ye kakana afi me ba me mia homa no tum ne hwe omodin bo abetimi abo ache de nom de aba hampet bebre bubruja efe papa ya hwehwe ne ma no wom se goyi obo omodin anu age wo de.
Yes I can know because I drink it dano. Nutritious dano.
Yes I can know.
Yummy dano. For strong kids who love to eat.
Anyway happen abeto just something small.
Yes I can know.
Yes I can
because
know.
I drink it.
Because I drink it ganda.
Nutritious dano. My yummy dano. For strong kids who love to eat. Dano is the milk. Love to drink.
How to drink.
Mommy has just the thing.
Yes I can you.
Yes I can know. Because I drink it dano. Nutritious dano. My yummy dano.
No, can you sing it? Yes, I can know.
I know
because I drink it, Dano. Nutritious Dano.
Miami Dano.
Kids
who love to eat. Dano is the milk they love to drink. Mommy has just the thing. Dano is the milk she gives.
Enti me ba baby a man atu muzesi ya.
Chale, you make ready for UEFA Euro 2020 and now. Media, I make ready with GoTV. BBR setting, no size. The players: Ronaldo, Mbappe, Lewandowski, no size. From 11 June to 11 July, share UEFA Euro 2020 live on SuperSport with GoTV. So now enjoy expert panel analysis. Papa B, Awunyan wo baby. For 109 Ghana cedis per kwaji with decoder, antenna, any one-man plan subscription, visit a GoTV dealer or SMS GoTV purchase to 1731. T's and C's apply. GoTV, love it.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow. Any offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yariantimu. Sasa die amanfo dodo no na di imbusaba mesha dodo ho adanse yesen enyarewa horo nipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese nkaye a wuti ne din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omo wa nyarewa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no enom imbusaba mesha no a emo mo ahoden pinti ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ahye omo ho imbusaba mesha ewo kanshi ene o maimu babia yeto enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 FDA ahyehyɛ sa adwade nkrato yi magye atomu sɛ ye.
The UEFA Euro 2020 is here, featuring the best of the best, the Sergio Ramoses, the Ronaldos, the Harry Kanes, the Mbappes, and of course you, the super fans. From Friday the 11th of June to Sunday the 11th of July, you can watch your favorite stars battle it out, match after match, to be crowned kings of Europe. The UEFA Euro 2020, it's anyone's game. Get and stay connected to DSTV to watch every game live on SuperSport or on the DSTV app.
Hey, me network imba fiame. E wose me di mobile money. Tia me wo fa workers car. Nanso charges nko 380 cedis. Wo send sika nko ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so. Me ni atie. Se wo be move akọ Vodafone cash and ka wo be save sika bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ni there. Tie. Wo send sika wo sawo network no so no. Yetew. Wo send sika free wo network no so akọ network foforo no. Eno so yetew. Na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send sika wo Vodafone cash so a free. Wo send sika free Vodafone cash. I got network bia so and so you free. Masa into work catch me. What so you then was sour network no so move bra Vodafone cash say hey masa you chip not to ball am sisi a. I know say there wo send sika wo Vodafone cash so I got network bia so a free. Send sika do bia and prend do bia got network bia so free. Dial star 110 hash say in send sika. Na family planning enu ani hunia eya asumdwe ankasa o afede mitumi ne mengire tenase edwin bra be wo ye bo toso wabra nya fe na ya na hunia na kwa ya dwenyengo o hunia afensu ye hwe maketire nso anyi etumi etrem de kampo asa ya dwen se ye be wo bie ma na ye wo bie ma se entimi ne megire nso ye sika de bie de shop mu anse ya wo ye ka akire hunia enya kan no ye se be man si so man so ayede wow enu an bomb skin. Family planning. Ene wapomodin dwuma ye nin kita ho ne ya. Wo family planning hihye ya. Eyama wo na ho kafo. Family planning wa ma wo hihye bra wo pese wo. Ene emadodo a wo be pese wo be wo. Good life. Abrabopa, Boniye and Kaibwe Ghana Health Service, USAID. Ene won aboafo ene dey bring. Family planning. Good life.
Say, Minia. Na ra hosa e da na ha kwame me ni mebusia fo amane hunu kese mu me bank e di me hwamo bio sisia na waka kire me se wo ma mebusia me pedi eri yan adwuma no bank kan na so ejinsu ho a e ye twamre bo nka wasa wo ka we kire me dada ma me kan fo Societe General Ghana ma o sa busia we wo beti no te se ma pe SG Ghana Bank nkunya na ma me ni ya etumi ahwe mo free school fees ho nsem asan bia ankasa adwuma kakra yi wa ye yensi kasem wo ahotoso e wa ho nyamre no kre se busia na ho hia dia e ne SG Ghana Bank Bribia, o mami si ho eta from kra. Esa mami bra, mi betua na mami ho ahen me. Etumi pokodu abosumi edusia. Minia, o fata bankia, o betumi agiedie na o do ho atoso. De be ma waso no adwowo. Societe General Ghana, any de ye power sitting mu amane hu nyinam. De mabusia ye pa. Na ehun si hu so from kra. Koye nkra bate duana ye wo man yimu bia mu. Oji wusi kasam ho moa. Societe General Ghana, dat ni ye wankasa. Santo aboy bebe ye wakuta won sabosomi ya. Ne de to so dunsia. Afimpim ye no ne aduonu baako.
Abejo. Welcome to Assem Danaba. You follow the power of 300 Ghana Cedis promo.
The power of 300 Ghana Cedis promo?
Aye. Malcolm say, to Adia Baku and the boy 300 Ghana Cedis. Ninya Ebrosa. Now on chow 10% discount instantly.
Instantly?
Ane, Amunimuha. And to Kahu, Nakajo dear, na answer now. Sa promo ye air cost of Malcolm show. Yeah. I feel kind of who said. And manage to say a crowd home.
Malcolm, where Ghana shops.
This is High Definition, an explosion in the city. 106.3 FM.
Adom FM.
Tough.
Adom FM. 106.3. Ghana's most authentic radio station. Air Top.
Ghana nyina hadie ne boss.
Ofie Kwanso.
Jerry Justice on Adom FM.
106.3.
Girl, I wanna hear you on my telephone. My pam pam, I go marry you. From mama, no one from my daddy, you are my body, me see trade, body, me see the one for.
Happy birthday going out to you, Kate Atobra, Wefi Kimbili of Tema Community 10 and Chain. Also, wish you happy birthday. You move champagne. And then good evening going out to you, Nana Eyiwa. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. Jerry, please, a happy birthday going out to Mr. Norris Prosper, Kofi Ejabeng of NADMO headquarters. From the wife, Inspector Monica Ejabeng of Holy Gardens Police Station. The children, Elikem and Aaron. So wishing him a happy birthday. I was asking, Baby, be phone lines this year na ochade na na machewa de kama pa, you know what I'm saying? But before that, me ba be ma ade foforo me for pen na etro and our phone betimi take note of this tro ma me why na me show the ecosystem here. Something good is coming your way. Something good is coming your way. Please write this promo code down. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. GLOVOADOM. What I say? GLOVO. That is Glovo. Unam Chrome, I always say, motorbikes mean nam Chrome. I say yellow bisa no. The green actual Glovo. And what's that? Make a cherry. Promo code way down. GLOVO. That is Glovo. Now the ADOM. Adom Akaho. What I say? untia na makopri we dia ba se me pese u freely what you say it no de Glovo Adom sa na be yo GLOVO ADOM Glovo Adom but kabom na ye one eno ena ye o promo code what you say write it down now maminka ade ncho me chechum kakra ncho Glovo app bi as say eno an obi use in fact omo enim what time it is no eno an esi omo use 84 phone says here let's do this me my download me there it me can me demu ane ade download the app no says here from the Google Play Store or your App Store depending on the kind of phone you are using. Now download the Glovo app no says here GLOVO Glovo. Wo download the app now wo de bomodiane to aso no be guide we be lead you on na sign the app. Now we know say ekwan ye fa so etimi enya ye deliveries di bra yen wo ba bi e wo bia I am very simple. Glovo amana ye simple. App no user friendly. Enya dey very easy to use. Now tie say e bi awia bi na wo hye ba bi na wo paduane bi adi. Wo be somo obi no nipa akona fe na debi Glovo. Wo phone na wa bi Glovo app no within your locality. Restaurant bia wa person odidi from that restaurant no and no one is also bia me pe fried rice and chicken from restaurant A what you say ba say see na Glovo dey aba na dey bro within minutes and you can say when you use the Glovo app a show every step on the way baby we do na do unya order for the food now I shall say your food has been ordered yeah so food no cra it's been prepared food no are taking off from the restaurant. Food no do circle. Afe so do Aveno Junction. Yes, yes, Abelande multimedia. Straight up. Every step of the way or mount, the echo update. No one needs search pepe. Simple app. As to say a BPM. Na nye duane nko super and na ultimate order. And they say be a person or shopping be or supermarket be na de adi na Glovo be yama. And na ebia yen fan some ti hey wo kokomlim hey na bia documents bi e bia me de ma obi no akoye me car insurance bi ama ne ade Glovo pa te sia no abegina nimu a na me de ama no oje tum a no so de akọ office ko na onipa akono no e bia onipa akono e wa beka ba bia na La Paz ba bi pa na du eno so every step of the way ba bia bedu bia na ma update yo Glovo amanka ya bregu enti se tie promo code nam de ma no Glovo Adom no troto Bemo akwanya ama o first 3 orders no it will be delivered for free. Etimu amotro sa promo code we to hono. Make sure you download the Glovo app from the Google Play Store or App Store and sign up. Now you use our promo code Glovo Adom GLOVO Adom simple. Now o first 3 orders and I say first 3 a year obe order biano. Free delivery. Untu ataku. Baby obiane de abro cool. Yo, enye dia utwatum sisi amenko. Glovo. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. And one say one. Me da wasi bebre. That is saying. It was saying. Hey, Glovo. More live on Facebook. More fan channel. My download the Glovo. Share. Na yasi me beje jamo. Oh, my fan channel. More Jeko. Mamu hu ade no Any Glovo no and aba. Oh, Glovo no. Dem pep. A budjuma, baby. I found baby, I'm not to mama. And you know, how best you can, perform. If you trust in a young coat, your name Cecilia. Okay, a dano 0302-216-561 0302-216-562.
Yes, I can.
Because I drink it dano. And nutritious dano.
For strong kids who love to win. Dano is the milk they love to drink.
You have to drink.
Mommy has just the thing. Dano is the milk she gives her. Yes, I can. Because I drink it dano. Nutritious Dano, Miami Dano. For strong kids who
Africa for course in the brand yanko.
it's the milk they love.
Yeah, nyampon yanko dane abre.
To drink. Mommy has just the thing. It's the milk she gives her.
Available.
All right, so yabekwa humano so na yafa yen first caller na yahwe say obetimi abon homoden atonnwom no bia. Very simple. But before that, I say kindly wish Osman Matiero inside Circle Tiptoe Lane a happy birthday for me from Toflingo, Mausi. Okay, first caller, good evening.
Good evening, Brad Jay.
If I try your first saying,
within the Shatabanzi.
Then
Shatabanzi.
Hey, are you?
My first number one.
You know one where if I try to know me uncle.
Saikalo, everything I drink balo, the children in the lado, everything I go balo. Saikalo,
what's it?
Everything I drink balo, the children will be dado. Blackberry.
Blackberry. To watch Jawame ko bia. What's it bad here?
Dance.
Da bi nya odi no enum na na oto na o se dey
Saikalo Dano
enti Dano na o kan sa no
and trans na me
okay you cause we tie na beti en kan
because I drink it Dano.
Hello yes good evening my dear.
Good evening.
Na batcha for say
but I'm the glorious.
You, my glory, yeah, no man, so my wife. Pram Bibi Aboko there. Nice, the patcho to Dano, you know me here.
Because of Dano, everything Dano.
Hey, baby, how do you start free and because of Dano? We dey try crack. Yeah. Or say, tea said they starting tea.
Okay, yes, I can know because.
Or say yes, I can know what I say. Okay. Because I drink Dano. What I say. Hey, now okay. It's started. Yes. Mama start no. Was it yes I can know because I drink Dano.
Yes, I Dano because I drink Dano.
Because we did have it here, come on. Now me say me to papa so say na me dey grad me here chairman for. Yes, I can because I drink it Dano. My nutritious Dano. Miami Dano. Hello.
Hello.
I'm in found to grow as I said to.
Hello. Your private Salamatu.
Salamatu.
That's right.
Now Bibi Aboko there.
Bibi Aboko.
Salatu ne
I can't go because I drink Dano.
Why not?
My nutrition Dano. Miami Dano. Dano is the drink I love to drink.
Why are they? Hold on. Some fun from the top view now. Walk with him, pa.
Yes, I can know. Because I drink Dano. Miami Dano. Good. My nutritious Dano. Good. Dano is the drink I love. It's the drink I love to drink.
I need now. Because what's your name?
Nutritious Dano. Miami Dano. For strong kids who love to win. Dano is the milk.
Next caller, hello. Hello.
Yes.
Good evening.
Fine.
Now, voice, we are sure saying we do be funny. Okay, hello now. I'm really disappointed. But yes, baby, I need to swing the one and work you by today. Try me, everyone say.
Joseph.
Okay, Joseph, try your way.
Yo, I can't know because I think I know. Okay,
Yo, over there, guys.
Because I drink it, Dano. Precious Dano. Miami Dano. For strong kids who love to win. Dano is the milk they love to drink.
They love to drink.
Mommy has just the thing. Dano is the milk.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, brother.
All right, boss, you are from saying?
The friend Ishmael, my friend to my community one.
Okay. All right, Ishmael, turn on me and quay.
Yes, I can. Because I drink Dano, my nutritious Dano, Miami Dano. All I have to do is just to drink Dano. Yes, I love to drink Dano.
Hey, oh, Vim, Papa. Hey. Oh, Vim brutal. Oh, cry there. Say me catch yourself, brother. Better you hamper this year, brother. Better you what this year. Hey, brother, this year, brother. Brother, better time for coffee, yo.
For strong kids who love to win. It's the milk they love to drink.
Yeah, Charlie, what's the member then? What's the member then? What's the member then? You're for last cola. You're for last cola. Nothing else, sorry, so now you're going
Yes, I can because I drink.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
But try for say.
But your friend Dennis Aki.
I say.
Dennis Aki.
Dennis.
Patron.
Okay, me offer say about consider Dennis. Okay, force 9 here, why? 9
Yes, I can because I drink Dano. Nutritious Dano, my own Dano. Dano is a drink I want to do.
Wow. You've done well. Why are they? Okay, so mama me nyame na me judge ne tino. Producers na be mama winners no.
Miami Dano.
Okay, so producers ne keka bom no mo say enipa miensa e na omutimi bom ho modern pa. So Salamatu Efre from Ashaiman. Me pacho obetimi aba front decks of Adom FM multimedia and the year crowd ba on sabeka. If you now could see pass by and pick up your hamper. Salamatu from Ashaiman. And then also Ishmael from Tema. Also, you do all Ishmael from Tema. Also, pass by and pick up your hamper. And finally, Dennis, who was our last caller, no, on also born home or Dennis, also, bra, na ebefa a hamper from Dano. And no, asemwa, no.
Because I drink it, Dano. Nutritious Dano. Miami Dano.
That's what it is. Jabusia, young fancy Dano milk promo no any the brew no. Yes, now I not just a BB near Timia kama the amount. Abusia, young two chair from our Vodafone says there's an energy inside us all that makes art and music that pushes science and overcomes obstacles, cures diseases, and then overcomes prejudice. This is the energy that gives us the strength to ask important questions from humankind, the planet, and our society, so we can discover what is best. When this force is combined with technology, then man and technology together can achieve anything and create a better future for all. Technology is nothing without humanity. Together with technology, we can do anything. For more about this, kindly log on to www.vodafone.com/together we can. Vodafone, together we can. And no asem no. Happy birthday in advance. And Dr. Ifa Nyako, the CEO of Nyako Aba Nyako Hotel, Obo Kwewu in the Eastern region, and also the executive member of the Ghana FOS Association at Kantamatu. That is a Foods Association. Yes. From your brother, Mr. George Nkansa of Jirian Enterprise. Yeah, and also a war Kantamanto, and the entire family. They're wishing you well on your birthday. Okay. Abusia, ya the battery na who said the be near Casabona Twaso. In the meantime, special shout out going out to my good friend and a brother, Patrick Chumesi. Yeah, Ghanaian international footballer. Yeah, or joining or play with a Hannover 96. Bro, welcome back home. Ibeshia. Na you said they better turn your mouth. I hope say Abushia will be fine. Great. Happy birthday also going out to Auntie Sewa. Yes, we have food vendor. Ewo at the Shaman Rural Bank in Potem where ya. Elko Kumlimle ya. Auntie Sewa. And she has from Konkoma why. Boys nebana. Omo baba ye yinia ya. On say wa nitia. Na just say. How's it's checkout time already. Yep. Time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 FM. Once again, condolence Kesepa Enko Emma Mr. Azu of Uza Agencies. Watema comes to you. Ewashre Omame grandma Adelaide Azu Mrs. With the 91 years, stressing Yame on Fanny Cry in C. So to the entire Azu family, you know, just going wrong. Monchichimore. I was saying that was a song here tonight. If you know me, I'll bring back Pim Sabri. Ya Nunsia, a real boy. Ya boy, I only didn't renew Siaka about 12. Like I say, I'm coming some money tonight. Been coming team, no Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, Giaco, Kwame Oboa, dear. And unofficial mayor of Kaswa, Ubria Buffett. That's why I'm doing with Jerry Justice. Let's do it again, same time tomorrow, God willing.